Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Daryl and this is Future Proof. In this channel, I teach you how to invest into cryptocurrencies, I teach you how to save your buying power, and most importantly, how to be profitable. Right now, guys, the market is beautiful and I have a very exciting video for you guys, some really valuable information that could potentially change your financial situation. So if you appreciate it, I take my time to make these videos and bring them to you. You know what to do. Click the like button, subscribe to the channel, click the bell notification so you can know exactly when I post a video. All right, let's get started. Obviously, guys, look at this market right now. Today is Friday. We're approaching to the weekend. We know what happens during the weekend. We tend to see dumps and dips, and then we tend to buy the dips on Sunday. That's the strategy me and my patrons have. Sundays are for buying dips. But we're going to be looking at this couple charts, and I don't know if we're going to get a dip this weekend or if crypto's actually going to take off. It's actually really hard to call, and I'm going to show you guys why. But as we can see today, Bitcoin's up, Ethereum's up. I got my Ethereum t-shirt on today, and we have BNB a little bit in the red, DOT a little bit in the red. And Doge is still climbing. So we're going to be looking at a lot of coins today. So I'm going to kind of like be shooting through them because it's going to be a lot of information, but I want you guys to kind of just try as much as you can to kind of grasp this info. Okay. And also we're going to be talking about what our game plan for Doge is going to be, since I know some of you might be holding Doge. I am still holding some Doge, but I am getting ready to liquidate my Doge very, very soon. All right, so also, guys, please check my last videos. They're very valuable information in these two videos, and we're going to be looking at what Cosmos has already been starting moving, and AVAX. I always like telling you guys you need to get on these, and most importantly, guys, in this video we're going to be looking at platforms because something is brewing up for platforms. All right. Okay, so let's take a look at Bitcoin, which we always have to start with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the king of crypto. It is the beast. It is the father. It is the godfather, the grandfather, everything above. And we love Bitcoin, and we love what Bitcoin represents. And obviously, guys, Bitcoin right now is so resilient, and we're holding strong. In my video yesterday, I told you guys what I was expecting to happen. I told you guys I was waiting for us to break out of this trend line. I told you we were going to come back down to these 50, low 56, 55 area, which we did. And look at this, guys. This buying pressure literally picked it up right up, and we broke out. So this, in our Patreon group, I was like, hey guys, keep in mind the weekend's coming. Less buying volume for Bitcoin, since institutions cannot buy Bitcoin during the weekends. So that's why we've been seeing dips every weekend. So it's better to be prepared. That's why we need to have a strategy. But what I noticed happen is we broke out. And I was honestly expecting for Bitcoin to just touch this line and break back down to at least come back to like 52,000. That wouldn't be that bad. We would have still been on a higher low. Even if we came back to 54,000, that wouldn't have been that bad either. I would have still remained bullish. Honestly, that would have just given altcoins a dip to be bought on, because altcoins are taking off right now. But because I do have a lot of information to share with you guys, I'm going to move quick on these and I'm not going to stay on them. But Bitcoin is showing a lot of strength, and this thing is going to keep moving. We definitely want to see now that Bitcoin breaks over this 59,000 and 60,000 level, so that this thing can keep moving. On the longer term, though, I do see some worrying signals on this chart, because as we can see here, I'm on the daily right now, and I don't like what I'm seeing here. What I'm seeing is a bearish divergence on the RSI, which I don't like the view of that. And how you can tell is on the RSI, you can see it's kind of like going down, and as the price is going up. So this is why you have the divergence. But honestly, guys, the fundamentals of Bitcoin and the amount of institution coming into Bitcoin right now is kind of making TA not even relevant in certain ways. TA is just to kind of like get a better idea of where the price is moving. But honestly, the price of Bitcoin is being moved by fundamentals right now. The amount of interest for cryptocurrencies all over the board. Venmo coming out with crypto this is exciting time to be alive. We've been waiting for this mass adoption for many years now, so we're finally getting it. Now let me move to Ethereum, obviously, because I have my Ethereum tee on. And we want to talk about platforms because Ethereum is causing these platforms to take off, and you guys need to understand that. Obviously, guys, Ethereum has broken out right now. I'm just watching this really closely. If I do bring us to a 4-hour in here, we're seeing that Ethereum is kind of going sideways a little, but guys, there's something brewing for Ethereum. I can feel it in my bones. Do not trade with your feelings or your emotions, but I can feel Ethereum is getting ready to do something crazy, to do something really crazy, because the interest for Ethereum 2.0 is coming out. We have Ethereum that's because of the EIP 1559. Ethereum is going to become deflationary. What that means is every transaction that occurs on Ethereum, and there's a lot of transactions that occur in Ethereum, is going to be burning a little bit of Ethereum. So that's even better than just having a limited supply. That's making it deflationary, so the supply is just going to keep reducing, and it's just going to cause the price of Ethereum to skyrocket. So this is why I believe that this year we will see a $10,000 Ethereum. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research, but I can feel it. I'm ready. All right, so coins that I've talked about yesterday that we need to take a look at today. We talk about Atom. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. I was telling you guys about Atom. We're like around this area. I was telling you guys how I'm so excited for these platforms, Atom, Cosmos, and Cosmos is undervalued. Guys, this is not too late to get on this train. Make sure you dollar cost average. This was just the initial breakout. We might just come back down to this 26 to retest the all-time high before this thing flies. Where do I see Atom long term? Over $100, 100%. That's my opinion. Please do your own research. But right now we see big volume coming in for Atom. We also have that still bullish cross on the MACD. We just tested over bought areas, but we're still not yet. But look at this candle. Look at this candle. Literally from when I talked about it, we're up probably like, we were up a little bit over close to 30%. So Atom, guys, Cosmos, if you don't have any of this, you better definitely check it out. I'm going to talk to you about a couple other coins that you need to keep on your radar, because Atom is moving. You guys need to start holding, like, I know you guys are investing in a lot of like risky projects and stuff like that, and it's okay, because high risk equals high reward. That's why sometimes we be searching for these low cap gems. But like, I want you guys to understand this concept. Platform cryptocurrencies are going to be huge, and they're already huge, and Ethereum is going to ignite this parabolic run for all platform coins, in my opinion. And that's why we see Cosmos moving, and that's why we see all these other Ethereum competitors moving as well. So I'm really excited to see what Cosmos is doing. If you don't know about Cosmos, please take a look at Cosmos. I want to just scroll through the website with you guys real quick. Guys, Cosmos is the internet of blockchain. Cosmos is interoperable with all different type of blockchain, and it's also going to help bring Bitcoin into DeFi. So you can see it's integrated with all these different chains. So if you look at the Cosmos ecosystem, it's massive. I talked about all this in my last video, so please do some research on Cosmos. I don't want you guys to miss out. I do believe Cosmos could be another Ethereum. I do believe it. Even though like people are hyped up about Polkadot and Cardano, we're also going to talk about both of these. I think that Cosmos is, it's kind of like one of the best successors to Ethereum, in my opinion. So honestly, like, this thing's still sitting at, I'm going to keep saying it, still sitting at 7 billion market cap, super undervalued. When you have Cardano and Polkadot over 40 billion market cap. All right, that's just my opinion. All right, that's it for Cosmos. Please check it out. Love their new website. Another coin that I want to bring to your attention is Icon. You guys know how much of a fan of Icon I am. I've been giving Icon on my Instagram since like 60 cents. Okay, I've shared Icon on this channel like multiple times. Now Icon today touched $3. We're kind of like cooling off a little bit. And I want to talk to you guys about why Icon is going to be so big. Okay, Icon Republic. Icon is the Ethereum of South Korea. Okay, everything Ethereum does, Icon does it in a little bit more. It's faster, and it's also interoperable with different blockchains. So I love their new website. When a project builds a new website, it tells me automatically they got some news coming out. So one key things I want to share with you guys on Icon. Okay, Icon is partnered with Samsung. Samsung is a Korean company as well. Icon is partnered with Line. Line is literally like WhatsApp and Telegram for like Asia. So do not underestimate this. Icon is also part of the Seoul Metropolitan government. They are government backed. Okay, there's not a lot of cryptos that are government backed. So when a government backs a cryptocurrency, you need to understand that the upside potentials are to the moon. Okay, and they also are backed by one of the biggest Korean banks. All right, so this thing is a no-brainer. So which is why it's kind of very hard to understand why Icon is at 1.7 billion market cap. Like when you have Cardano, which has nothing built on it, and Polkadot. Like guys, don't get me wrong, I love Polkadot and I love Cardano. I've been advertising these in some ways and telling you guys to accumulate these for a long time. But you need to also look at fundamentals of other projects and what they have already accomplished, and how that varies between them. So a couple other things that I need to bring to your attention before I show you the chart on Icon is that Icon, guys, they're working on so much right now, and it's really exciting, and I'm going to try to keep you guys updated on what's happening. But they have this, which is basically going to be their decentralized ID, which is My ID Alliance. So I know a little bit about that, and what they're going to do is, like, on your phone, there's going to be your Icon wallet for like citizens of South Korea, and it's going to have their identification, just like if you had your social security number, and everything is tied to it, your bank account, and even for like when you want to vote for a president in the future, you can literally just vote in a decentralized fashion on Icon blockchain. And that's really huge. Like, not a lot of crypto have this amount of government ties. Okay, so this is, and also there's this called Balance that's coming out on Icon, which is basically going to be DeFi on Icon. We have Proof, a certificate insurance app used by major university corporation, including Korea's largest marketplace, Saraman. So this one is really interesting. So like a lot of people, they fake their college certificates. So this is going to be on the blockchain to certify that your college certificate is legit. Okay, so this is huge. They got Icon 5, it's also another DeFi. And then guys, there's a lot coming for Icon, and please do your research. This thing is going to moon. I do believe in Icon. They have the new app out, and also keep in mind, guys, I don't know if you guys ever use Atomic Wallet. You can get 11% APY for holding Icon on for staking Icon on Atomic Wallet. So check this out. Now, let's take a look at the chart on Icon, because I bet that's what you guys are excited to see, and why I'm very confident that Icon is going to have some massive move. So this is how we look in the close term right now. So Icon, we just broke out, and we're literally kind of like slowly climbing. I'm waiting for us to break this level so that Icon can go parabolic, but this is not price discovery. Guys, this is not even close, because this is where Icon came from. So the thing is, when Icon pumped, people were just buying it because they knew it was the Ethereum of South Korea. But during that bear market, this thing tanked. So what this shows me is that Icon does have the potential to go all the way to $13, and picking it up right here at $2 is a no-brainer. All right, this is a no-brainer. So this is definitely something that you guys need to keep in mind. What was beautiful about this is look how we were going sideways for like 2 years here. And when we broke out of that, we saw explosive move up, you know, and then we literally came back to this next level of resistance, and then we stayed there for a little bit. But this level, guys, was like we were under this for over 3 years, and we're finally breaking out of it. Next level of resistance that we have for Icon is about like $5, but I tell my Patreons to get out around like $4.80. Not to get out, but to take some profit, you know, because guys, we've been buying since way back here. But Icon, has the potential to go to $13. And when it does, honestly, where do I believe like long term? I believe Icon can go. I think Icon can go to $20 from where it is right now, because honestly, it could go to $50 because like it could literally do over a 20x just to even get close to Polkadot and Cardano. So that's something to keep in mind. This is still ranked 81. And I've been giving you Icon for a while, so please go do some research. Icon, there's some big things coming, and I don't want you guys to like miss out on this. Okay. I do want to take a look at Polkadot and Cardano because I do see something's brewing on these charts. All right. Today we're talking about platforms. We're talking about platforms and what they're doing. Polkadot has been doing nothing for over 2 months, doing nothing, just going sideways. I love to see these because this is when you see the price is followed by explosive action. So you see how this 200 EMA is curving up. We're still in the major uptrend for that. This is and this is very bullish in my opinion. So Polkadot, guys, we're gonna see the competition between Cardano and Polkadot is very real, and we're going to see these communities step in and literally support their projects, and we're gonna see these things moon. Don't forget, I've been giving you guys Polkadot since like $6, $5. And here I told you guys, if you don't buy Polkadot, you're gonna regret it. We're sitting at $40 now. So if you followed my call on Polkadot way back then, you're way up on your money. And I'm telling you guys now, we're getting ready for another run. When coins go sideways, look, even here, we were going sideways for about half a month here before we had explosive move. But we went sideways for 2 months. Where do I see Polkadot going now? Close to $100. We might just double from here, maybe 80. But if we get to 80, why not touch 100 before we get a big dip? You know, that's just my view on it. Yeah. So now let's take a look at let's take a quick look at Cardano now, ADA, because ADA is doing something crazy. ADA is doing something crazy. As you can see, ADA is going parabolic right now. Big volume coming in. We literally at all-time high, but that's against USDT. So if you're looking at Cardano against Bitcoin, you can see that Cardano is just getting ready. Okay, so Cardano is literally getting ready. We're gonna see some resistance here, but there's a lot of upside potential for Cardano still. My only thing that worries me is these projects I am sharing with you, because these are some of the less risky projects you can be in, because they're kind of like I would not say guaranteed, but like these are like revolutionary, and they're going to change everything about how we see smart contracts and so on. So these are great projects to hold for the long term, but keep in mind, okay, Cardano has pumped a lot already, and it's still going, but like I do think this also could be a buy the rumor, sell the news. I want to see how much people actually start using Cardano when the smart contracts get deployed on it. But I do know it's going to be a huge pump before the announcement of smart contracts being able to be built on Cardano. So keep an eye on that, guys. Cardano is in price discovery compared to USDT. So this is really exciting. For all of you that stayed to the end of this video, right now, I want to give you guys a bonus coin that I've been watching for a very long time. And this thing could be life-changing money, and I want to put you guys on this, even though it also already moved a lot, but it hasn't moved that much, in my opinion, compared to what it could move. Guys, I'm talking about Nano. If you guys don't know about Nano, it's okay. This used to be called Rayblox way back in 2017. They rebranded to Nano, and I want to share this coin with you guys because you don't understand how Nano changed people's lives in 2017. If you think Dogecoin is making people money, Nano made people money. This coin went from about 8 cents to $30, 31. Let's see, high $31 in the 2017 bull run, and started tanking in 2018. All right, so you must ask, how many X's is that? I actually wrote it down. That was about 333 X's. So if you had put $1,000, you would have over like 300K your money. So this is insane. And Nano's is this beast is back. This beast is awoken again. And I don't want you guys to miss on this because I've been accumulating Nano for a while. Even though this thing wasn't doing anything, this was like a coin that was literally, I was getting aggravated with it, but I'm so happy I wasn't panic selling. Like I've been accumulating and he wasn't doing anything, and I just kept accumulating. So it's great right now. And we're going to talk about the chart, but I want to show you guys what Nano is. Nano, some people are going to hate me for this, but Nano is everything Bitcoin wished it was. What do I mean by that? Nano is the fastest out of all cryptocurrencies, even XRP. Okay, Nano is instant. That means and guess what? Transactions are free. If I can literally send Nano back and forth between you and me, and we don't spend any money on transaction fees. So this is amazing. This is literally this. If any crypto could be really used as a payment or like as literally as a currency, it's Nano. The only issue is it's because of its volatility. It might not be, but I want you guys to please do some research on Nano and understand why Nano is so amazing. Nano, guys, is literally the fastest blockchain out of all cryptocurrencies. This thing is super fast. I was once literally trying to count how long it took per second to send between me and my cousin, and we were just like literally sending Nano back to each other. And like before we can even say 1, 2, he already would receive it. So that's why Nano, people love Nano. And I do think that Nano being at 1.3 billion market cap is very undervalued right now for what it's supposed to do. And this thing has been a sleeping beast for a very long time. But now this beast is awoken. So I want to show you guys the chart on Nano and why this chart looks so bullish. Okay, this chart looks so bullish. We've been seeing some huge pump action on Nano. Like literally it started moving out of nowhere. Like even if I go on the daily, like check this, like we're climbing again, guys. We're climbing again, and we've been analyzing this thing. And right now, even on the daily, you can see the MACD cross. You can see this curve even on the volume. You can see how it's curving. You can see the same pattern on the RSI. This thing is looking like a beast. So I would definitely dollar cost average because Nano is still very volatile. Look at this. This thing, we went from over here about $4 all the way to $14, came back to like $6, reaccumulated, and now we're at like $10. But like if Nano goes to $30 again, that's a 3x from where it is now. So easy money. But I do think like last bull run, everyone thought Nano was gonna go to $100, to be honest. So possibly this bull run we could see Nano going to $100. Yeah, so that's really exciting. All right, so the last thing I want to talk about is Doge and what my strategy for Doge is. Like, you guys need to help me too. You guys need to help me too. You guys need to start sharing my YouTube channel, and you guys need to start sharing this with your friends and your family, and also like drop them on Reddits and stuff. I don't really use Reddit, but I probably should, and get me some new followers and subscribers. All right, so this is the last coin that I want to talk to you guys about, because Doge, something crazy is going to happen with Doge tonight. Elon Musk is going to on Saturday Night Live. He's going to be talking about Doge. We don't know how much he's going to be talking about Doge, but I already know what Elon's view on it is. He does believe that this coin could be a currency that we do use in the future, and some people are saying Doge might become a stable coin once we reach $1. But what you guys need to know is Doge, there's 10,000 Doge being released to the market to miners every minute. So it's literally like the US dollar. There's an unlimited supply. Right now we broke out. We can see that there's so much buying power coming in. We got this cross on the MACD. RSI is not even close to overbought. Guys, Doge is gonna freaking pump to $1. But what happens next? what are you gonna do next? I made a lot of money in Doge, and honestly, if I don't sell at $1, I will freaking hate myself because because when this thing tank, I'm gonna be telling myself, why didn't I sell? So I'm sorry, I'm gonna be taking profits. So should you. Be smart. Doge in history, I know this time is different, but in history, Doge pumps and dumps all the time. It's natural. If anything, anticipate that we are going to dump after we hit this $1. This is that $1 area here. I'm going to put this in red because there's a lot of selling orders up there. So when we reach that $1, understand that what could happen. Like, I really want you guys to be realistic here. Okay, Doge has no fundamentals for it to be like over 100. If it reach $1, we'd be sitting at over $130 billion market cap. So like, we could literally tank up there and touch the dollar and literally go like this, boo, and people crying, and literally come back to this level. This is absolutely possible. What's also possible is after this happens, Doge starts moving again and goes touch $1 again, and then we get a double top and move, we see this thing go down. Understand, this is highly possible. So even after the first dump, you're gonna see a relief rally. This is when people still think there's hope, they think they're buying at a discount, you get a release rally. But understand, after these people saw how much it could dump, they're gonna be like, damn, I should have taken profits before this happened. So they're gonna take profit on the second round. So this is our strategy for Doge. Okay, this is highly volatile coin, and is highly risky. I don't want any of you guys to lose a lot of money. You should never have put your life saving into Doge. Another area we could possibly look at for Doge to potentially come back to is here. So like, guys, this trend line is very strong. We could see Doge go to this dollar level and then tank and come back to like 45 cents. Like, if it does do that, I would be buying back in at 45 cents. But you know what? I'm not even going to wait for Doge to reach $1 to sell. I'm going to be getting out around like 85 cents, close to 90 cents as well. Why would I do that? It's because I do expect Robinhood to crash, Voyager to crash. So all my Doge and Voyager, I'm going to be getting rid of these. I have already limit sell orders set. But like, I don't expect Binance to crash, but we will see a lot of these people, they're going to get stuck with their Doge back because they can't sell it, because the amount of selling pressure that's going to happen and the amount of volume is going to crash these exchanges. Doge crashes Robinhood all the time. So that's something to expect. All right, guys, this is all the information that I had to share with you guys today. If you haven't yet, please like, subscribe to the channel, and it really helps support, and drop a comment. Let me know what your opinion is on what I had to share today. I'm really excited to hear them. And yeah, that's all that I have for you guys today. I hope everybody's doing well. I hope everybody's staying safe, and most importantly, future proof.